Hey everybody, Jeff Highland here with the Highland Group at RE/MAX Mountain Properties. Want to give you a May 2022 real estate update for our market. I'm going to refer to some notes here. So what's going on in the market right now is some of the same trends that we've been talking about the last few updates. For June 1, our inventory hit 488 homes. So just keep in mind, that is about an 80% increase from where we were June of 2021 when we had 273 homes on the market. Now, what are some trends that we're seeing? Last month for May, there were 300 homes that went under contract. Okay, we started May 1 with 374 homes, 300 went under contract compared to April, 298. So the good news there is we're still seeing plenty of buyer demand. Chief economists throughout the country are basically saying that, hey, as long as that demand maintains and our inventory levels, they can come up, but as long as we don't get to an oversupply situation, currently what we're seeing the trend is that the demand is still remaining strong. There was a lot of speculation about what was going on with interest rates. Interest rates seem to have kind of stabilized in the mid fives. Now, when you look back over the 50-year history, 5.5% interest is not a bad rate. Now, it's not free or nearly free like it was, right? 18 months ago, 2.5%, 3%. So I think in April, we had a little bit of hesitation with consumers kind of settling into the new norm. Here on the team, we were able to put 46 properties under contract in the month of May alone. So that was a record-setting month for us here. Now, what else are we seeing and anticipating? Right now, with the current inventory, okay, if demand stayed constant, we're at about a 7-week supply, just short of 2 months. What's a normal market? Well, normal markets are typically defined as between a 5 and 7 month supply. So we're still pretty heavily swayed in the seller's market right now. However, we are starting to see some reductions in prices, which is opening up those opportunities for buyers. So case in point, our days in market has stretched out a little bit more, right? MLS wide, we're looking at just over 3 weeks for average days on market. And so that's creating, some price adjustments. In fact, about 20 to 25% of the overall inventory on the market right now has made a price adjustment of some kind just in the last 7 days. Does that mean the market has necessarily come down? When you look at the charts that I email out to you that shows our average price point per square foot, you haven't seen that trend reversal yet. It did last month start to flatten, and I would speculate that trend might continue for a little bit. But what we're seeing again is maybe a combination of some people that were a little bit optimistic on pricing, and so it didn't sell after those first week or 2 weeks, and they're starting to get some price adjustments. And we are starting to see buyers continue to get homes accepted without necessarily going over list price, and in some cases, even 3 to 5% under the asking price. So I'll be back with another update for June. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call, 928-237-4425. Again, that number is 928-237-4425. Jeff Highland, the Highland Group at RE/MAX Mountain Properties. Have a great day.